Let's make easy sheet pan chicken tacos with red gold tomatoes and tomato love. This recipe is so easy. We're going to start out by adding some red gold petite diced tomatoes to a skillet along with tomato love, diced tomatoes with 2 times more chilies for a little bit of a heat in there. We're adding in a rotisserie chicken. We're going to add in spices like chili powder and cumin and paprika, some salt and pepper. We're going to cook this down in a skillet until that chicken gets nice and flavorful from the spices and the tomatoes. We're going to turn off the heat, and now it's time to assemble our nachos. We're going to add a single layer of tortilla chips and that delicious flavorful chicken right over top in a single layer. We're going to add 2 types of cheeses here. I use Monterey Jack and a very sharp cheddar, but you can really use whatever you love. Just don't be shy with the cheese. We want lots of cheese here. Put that into an oven, let it get nice and bubbly and delicious and melty. Meanwhile, chop your toppings. You can use whatever toppings you love. I'm using spring onions and red onion, some avocado and jalapeno. You can really just do whatever you want here, as well as some fresh cilantro. Just look at these when they come out of the oven. They're so good, so melty and delicious. Now it's time to just top it with all that good freshness and some red gold black bean and corn salsa, which really takes these nachos to the next level. Continue to add your toppings and you are ready to serve, guys. These are great for feeding a crowd and everyone's gonna love them. I cannot wait for you to give this recipe a try for yourself. Enjoy.